In this video, I'm going to show you how you can withdraw from your Bybit account down to your local bank account. But before I continue with this video, if you're coming across my channel for the first time, please do well to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and also drop a comment if you got value from this video. So this video can reach out to more people that are interested in knowing how to withdraw from their Bybit account down to their local bank account. Now, the first thing you want to do to withdraw your funds from your Bybit account down to your local bank account, all you just need to do is to come over to assets. Okay, so once you come over to assets, make sure the amount you want to withdraw from your Bybit account to your local bank account has been sent straight to your funding wallet. Now, if your funds is not in your funding wallet, all you just need to do is to come over to transfer, and you can actually transfer any funds down to your funding wallet. But the most important thing is that make sure the funds you want to withdraw are already on your funding wallet. So once the amount you want to withdraw has been moved to your funding wallet, the next thing you want to do is to come over to home, then you click on deposit. So once you click on deposit, you're going to see these three options over here: the P2P trading, the buy with NGN, and the deposit with crypto. You're going to click on P2P trading. So once you click on P2P trading, you're going to be brought to an interface like this. So right now you can see we have two options over here: you either buy or you sell. But since you're placing a withdrawal, you just have to click on sell. So once you click on sell, you just need to select any of these wallets that you want to actually withdraw. So for me, I have my funds already on my USDT wallet. So I just need to come down here and click on the amount I want to withdraw. Okay, so I just have to come down here and enter the amount I want to sell in Naira. Not compulsory you enter the exact amount you want to sell. So I'm just going to enter 10,000 Naira. And I'm going to click on confirm. Then click on all payments. Then come down here and click on bank transfer. Then click on confirm. Then go over to filter. Now you can see these three options. The first one says show only verified advertisers. The next one says show only block advertisers. Then the last one says show only eligible advertisers. If you're new to Bybit, I would advise you go for the first one that says show only verified advertisers. So what you just need to do is to click on this box that says show only verified advertisers. Then come down here and click on confirm. Now you can see people you can transfer with the range of the amount you want to withdraw. Also, people that are eligible you can transact with. You can check the advertisers with the highest completion rate to transact with, and if you're dealing with verified advertisers, they will all have 90% completion rate and above. So you can just go for the one with the highest order, just like the one that has over 6,817 orders. All you just want to do is to come down here and click on sell. So once you click on sell, you're just going to input the amount you want to withdraw over here. Let me say 10 USDT, and you're going to be seeing the amount you're going to be receiving in Naira. So I'll be receiving 16,415 Naira in Naira. Then if you want to put the amount in Naira yourself, all you just need to do is to come over to with fiat. Once you click on with fiat, you can actually put the amount you want to withdraw in Naira. Maybe you want to withdraw 10,000 Naira. You just have to come down here and click on 10,000 Naira. You're just going to input the amount you want to withdraw. Let me say 16,000 Naira. So you're going to be seeing the amount you're going to be receiving in USDT, which is 9.7 USDT. But what I'll be doing right now is to use with crypto. Okay, so I'm just going to be inputting 10 USDT. So I'll be receiving 16,415 Naira. So I'm just going to come down here and click on add payment method. So right now you can see my payment method is already set on bank transfer, and you can see my name right now. So what I just need to do is to add my bank account number and also add my bank name. The bank branch does not really matter. So right now I'm just going to go ahead to input my bank account number. So once I paste my bank account number, I'm just going to come down here and add my bank name, which is OPay. And I'm just going to come down here and click on confirm. So I'm just going to set up my Google Authenticator. So right now I've inputted all my details. All I just need to do is to click on sell. So after clicking on sell, this next interface shows pending payment. As you can see, the payment is expected to be completed in approximately 15 minutes. You can see the details of this transaction and the amount I'll be receiving. And you can actually see the buyer that will be sending me this funds straight to my OPay account. So in less than 15 minutes, I'll be getting this funds straight to my OPay account. As you can see, the verified buyer right now. So once this payment is confirmed to my OPay account, I'm just going to come down here and click on release now. So right now, I just received the credit alert of 16,314 Naira from this buyer right now. Like I said earlier, make sure that you have actually received these funds straight to your bank app before coming down to release these funds. So right now, you can see that this transaction has been completed. So that's how you can actually withdraw your funds from your Bybit account down to your local bank account. I hope you got value from this video, and if you did, please do well to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the bell notification. so YouTube can notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you just watched. See you on my next video.